Well, good morning, folks. It's the 1st of March. I guess they're getting ready for next year. Had a lot of wind yesterday, 50-mile-an-hour gusts, 54-mile-an-hour gusts. One of the buildings, a little storefront, turn-of-the-century building down here on Burdick Street that I've done video on passing before, more than once. Cool little storefronts. Well, it collapsed because of the high wind. Sounds like the building was vacant or abandoned. Wasn't in very good shape, but it was really a good look on the outside. We're gonna go down there a second and see what's left. Because of some wind issues and transmission issues, local news affiliate wasn't able to come on the air the proper time yesterday, and any stories about that they didn't cover. So we're going to go down there and take a look and see what kind of damage the wind did. This old, rather historic building, so to speak. Historic meaning that it's probably turn of the century. I'm going to say late 1800s, 1890s. It'll come all out when they probably will be bringing an excavator in or something and knocking the rest of the building down if they determine it to be unstable. But we're going to see the condition. I don't even know the condition it's in. I haven't seen any pictures yet. We will here in just a couple minutes. Still a little windy. Another cloudy day here over the valley. We cross Crane Park, past Crane Park. I'm going to turn down here on Maple Street today. You're going to certainly see a few, I call them old growth homes along here. Also have installed the city some speed bumps. Evidently they used to have a lot of people tearing through this neighborhood right here, taking these curves on every type of conveyance. Nice old brick home right here. Very nice old place right here. Another brick home. Another one almost next to it. Across the street here, they're staying with the wood frame designs. Okay. The building, if you're right down here on our left, there used to be another building right here. It was an automotive repair center for many years. Okay, here's the building right up here. On the right, you can see the barriers across the sidewalk here. Slow down, I don't have any traffic. Oh yeah, the front walls have collapsed right out on it. Sure enough. Sure enough. We'll look at this from another direction. These other old buildings along here too, storefronts. I'll be back in just a second. Turning around here in the parking lot of a building that used to be National Food Store. This is where my mom used to say she did her trading. This was the grocery store. Then turned into the MESC office. I think that's still what it is. Yep. It's a service center. It's where you call Marvin. Across the street here on Block Street, B-A-L-C-H, Block Street. Another old brick Kalamazoo home, and there's two more down there on the same side of the street just like it. On this corner here used to be Zutawag Sunoco. You come down here and get our groceries and go across the street and get a tank of gas. Yes, sir. Right there you can still see where the sign used to hang. It said National Foods. We're going to be looking at this right up here. Just a second. These are all homes right here in there, bought, raised years ago. Salvation Army is there. Well, we just pull right in here, and I'll just take a little walk down here. Look at it from more of a street level. I'll be right back. See, in one of my previous videos that I did on many of the places around town that are homes with businesses built on the front of them, these all remind me of the Old West along here. Okay? Now we'll go down here and take a little bit of a walk. Corner of Reed Street and Burdick. See another little home built back here, storefront built on the front. Yeah, I would imagine that they will come and knock this place down. Yeah, it's sad. Something could not have been done with it back in the day or the night. No doorways right there. So forth, blown right in. Pretty clean inside. Pretty clean. I don't know. It looks pretty stable. It's just the front. I don't know. This might not go down. All right. Right back. Walk along the street here. Don't know what you're gonna find. I'll do a quick one here. There's somebody's kitty that didn't make it. All right, 24 degrees out. Yeah, be right back. Everything's seeming a little frozen up this morning. All right. The rich get richer. Well, I'll be okay then. We'll have to see the progress of what happens here. We may lose that building. I do not know. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate your viewership. My grandparents' home right there on the right, the white house in the corner. Long gone. They are, the house is still there. Okay, we shall see you in the next one. Have a great and safe day. Stay out of the wind. Stay out of the wind. Especially when you're old and decrepit. Another nice big brick house here, huh? Back in the day. You can bet. All right, go down here around the curve. You might even see another cool old Kalamazoo home or two. This curve used to be much more defined and a tighter curve back in the day. Almost a dog leg. Old Kalamazoo brick home right here on this corner. Older than newer. Thanks for watching again. See you in the next one.